Hello. Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to another stream of Plane Shift, where we make some artificial stupidity. No, artificial intelligence I meant. Yup, artificial intelligence. Our tribes are walking around, fishing, building villages. Yes, they are. Pretty good, huh? Okay, let's jump into it. I don't want to waste time with introductions. You know me enough by now, right? You know me, I know you. So let's jump into it. Let me change the music, switch the scene, and let's go. Boom. Boom. Okay, let's go. So what I want to work on tonight is the continuation of tribes. In particular, I did some reasoning on this dynamic idea of tribes, right? And in our database, actually, there are flags, right? Which are there are flags that are storing the status of the particular tribe member, and if it's static or if it's dynamic, right? But I think that idea is not good. I don't think if something is dynamic, meaning that it's created on the fly, right, by the server, I don't think it should go in this table. I think we may have a number of static resources, like can be members, can be buildings, can be other resources that are static and they stay in the database. But everything that is dynamic, there is really no reason to write it down, right? So and to write it to the database. So I have removed that. So I have removed the write to database kind of thing. But as I was looking now, doing the change of no database for dynamic objects, we actually have a crash. And I think that the crash that we have is that we are trying to write this table. And so I think I can just search this. Exactly. Add member, right? So this is adding a. So this added dynamic member, I think that it doesn't make any sense anymore. I think I want to say. Now we may still because this is really add member to database, right? This is not add member, this is store member, right? There is add member to DB, it's not add member whatever, right? I don't know if I want to call it add member actually. I think I want to call it something like save. I think all our functions that are right in database are called save something. We should standardize it, by the way. But like save resource, save memory, save knowledge, save asset, you say all of those are actually right into database, yeah. So it should be called save. It should not be called add. It should be called save member, right? This will already help a bit to avoid confusing people, meaning me. Yeah. Right, so this is temporarily is a very bad place to put a comment. It's a very bad place to put a comment, boys. Hello, Hula. Good evening. Bonsoir. Bonsoir, mon ami. Now, I don't know why we are not always putting this thing in alphabetical order, right? I don't know. I think it's a bit weird, but I think we should, no? I mean, they go by, sometimes they go by domain, like by area. So something that is in the same domain, maybe we put the function together, but I think that then they are a bit hard to find, no? Well, we can just find them here, I know, but... It's building. It is building. It is building. Wow, it's building forever. What the hell? Because I changed tribe.h, huh? And so header files taking time. Okay. Okay. So that is exactly the point, right? So this one is saving the new member to the database. So this one for now we will skip it. Right? Then if this is valid, we attach it to the tribes. We attach it to the proper tribe, right? And the attach to the tribe should also give him, yeah, should do attach member and whatever. And he's adding it to the member list. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so what we want to see is the new member getting spawned first, the new member getting added to the tribe, and the new member actually doing something in the game, right? These are the three things we want to see. Like fishing, moving, building, whatever. The only thing I have to be sure is that they have enough resources. They don't. They don't. Let me see now. Do 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 do. Yeah, there's quite a bit of waiting, unfortunately. I already deleted pretty much all the maps, so the problem is that we are running in debug mode and it takes time. I mean, it takes time. Unreal Engine is a complex system at the end, so. Okay, so now our server is actually running. We can connect if we want, but yeah, we should connect. The reproduction should start pretty much, I mean, after like 1 minute or so. Now, one thing that is weird though is that it seems that they are spending money for the mate, even if they are not mating, right? So that's a bit weird. That I really need to understand, because it seems that we are removing money already. Like, let me see now if we already remove money or not. No, for now, no. But it seems that when we are reproducing, we are removing more money than what we should. I don't know why, but it looks like. It's obviously night. So what do we need to look at? Okay, at the moment there are 2 people and 1 guy is fishing. Okay, they are breeding now. I want to see if we have already consumed... No, 87. So at the moment we didn't consume anything. Uh-oh. I'm auto-run for whatever reason. Bro, stop! Okay, GG. Okay. We let it go. Bro, why my character is running automatically? I don't know. Okay, stop finally. Okay, I think we have a new guy. I think we do have a new guy. I don't know if it's this guy or who, but we have a new guy. He's easy to recognize because he has a very, very, very high PID. Why is 141? This is not the right PID. Yeah, I think we fucked up. Okay, they are breeding again. They are breeding again. How much we consumed? Hey, but we already consumed 60. Ah, another guy. Okay, so I think it is kind of working. The only problem is the only problem is who is who. I don't have an easy way to know who is who, but it is 141. There is 800. There is 337. Yeah, these two guys are the new ones. This and this. And now the question is, do you think they will be doing something or no? The problem is that they have the wrong ID at the moment. At the moment they have the wrong ID, so they are not who they should be. Yeah, they are not what they should be. Okay, so we pass, for whatever reason, we pass 141 too much. 141 is actually the name of the master NPC. And I think that we have an issue. And then we have the issue of the double failure, right? The double fallback that we didn't solve yesterday, and we still have it now, obviously. Are they all the member of the tribe? Yes, they are all member of the tribe. They are all member of the tribe, but these guys get a wrong ID for whatever reason. And I need to understand why. So in theory, this is my new PID, right? So I'm spawning an actor with a new PID. Now this new PID, is it even used here or not? No, it's not even used. So here is not setting the ID, it's just used for the debug. Right, so this ID actually is not used here. Then we do this, okay. Then we do load dynamic. And there is my character ID. And the PID is actually set equal to, right? So here in theory, we do the thing. Here in theory, we do the thing. Why? Unless we set it again, but I don't think so. So here we set it as, I hope we set it as the right number, right? Let me restart it. But we have an issue. So now it's not crashing anymore, which is nice. But we have an issue with the PID. We can also see if here is... No. It's not used anywhere else, so I don't understand... But something happens. At a certain point, that ID is getting modified. Because the server sees it... because the server sees it as a with a wrong ID. Because when I ask the server what is this character, he's returning 141, which actually is the master. And I would say it's fine. I mean, so now we are not writing anything to the database. Ah, crap. I don't have enough. I forgot to give them... Shit. I forgot to give them the money. Money. I don't know why it's showing as 141. Because I'm asking the ID of the NPC and unless we set it somewhere else, maybe when we go back from load dynamic, Because here it should just return, right? So it should not do anything stupid. It should not do anything stupid here. I don't think so. Unless it's happening inside of this. I don't think so. It's very strange.
Ready for some fun?
Hello. Hello, funner. I don't know if we are removing the resources twice, but in theory should not happen. If we are removing resources twice. Because it's here, right? It's alter resource, reproduction cost. So it should happen only once. I don't... It's a bit strange. Okay, we are breeding now. Let me just see the resources, because that's something else that also I want to fix, right? At the moment is 87, right? Someone brought one more fish. We go to 57, so actually we consume 30, which is perfect. Right, so up to now, the 30 is fine. So we need to see here what happens. NPC. Handle command spawn. Come on. I mean, it's true that here it's actually considering the NPC to be the same one, right? But yeah, I don't know if this is the problem, that I have here the other NPC. But we are creating a completely new NPC, right? So after this, my so there is my new character, but at this point I don't have a PID set. I don't. The PID is set inside of this, right? So after this function, yes, I'm setting my 1500, which is the new PID. So at the moment, the PID of this character is, right, is the correct one. So there should not be there should not be bro, can you do it? PID. Wait. No, this is not a good idea. If I say search depth 1, why is going in impossible places? Okay, it's here. PID, is this at the same level? Think so. Yeah, it's at the same level. Yeah, it's 1500, so I cannot say 0. Okay. It's 1500. Yeah, it is. It is. It is 1500. So why it is changing, right? Because it looks like, for whatever reason, no, here is not changing at all. It is not changing at all, unless the brain. Wait a second. Maybe the brain is the brain of. Wait, huh? The brain is on the controller. No, very okay. Yeah, so here we go out with an ID of 1500. So this should not change anything. This should not change anything. Right? And we get our spawned NPC that I think would be the same, right? Yes, it is the same. So why then it kind of changes? That's a bit weird. Let me follow it so we are sure that yeah, it's correct. It's correct. It's correct. Why when I do /info I get 141? I don't get it. I don't understand why I'm getting the wrong value. Spawn PID. Wait a second. Spawn PID. I mean, it's true that this is not returning anything, but I don't think that's a problem because our NPC has been created now. And so it also has been added to the tribe. So if I do find out idle NPC, so if I put a breakpoint here, right, and we block at the next run, right, and we try to understand and we try to understand the members. Why is not been added? No, the member has not been added to the tribe. At least I don't see it. It's not been added to the tribe. That is strange though, because we had the check. We had that check attached tribe, right? That is here. That is the one that is doing this. Unless the tribe is not set. And this should do this, right? So maybe it is not done. Maybe it is not done, boys. Maybe it is not done. Let's see what happens for the second guy, because we spawn twice, right? Yeah, we spawn twice. I'm winking at you. Yeah, my character is a bit weird. I don't know why. I don't know. I think, let me see if it's better if I turn on the light. Because maybe it's the amount of light. Is he winking less now or no? Is it winking less? Because I was nearly in complete darkness and I think that the webcam cannot pick up my face. It's funny when he's waking up. I turn on the light now, so it should maybe better, I don't know. New char PID. Yeah, new char PID is correct. Okay, check attach tribes. Let me see if this is doing something. Let me see if this is doing something. Yes, it seems it's doing. NPC get PID. NPC get PID. Ah, but you see that now is 141. What the fuck? Ah, it's the brain that is 141. Ah, is the brain ID. Wait a second. Is the brain ID? Is the brain ID? NPC master ID 141, right? I see. No, that's a problem. This is a problem. This is a problem. This is a problem. Okay, I understand. I understand what is going on. I understand, and it's not good. Because this will never work like this, huh? This will never work. Found the members who attach the tribe. NPC set tribe this. But if he's what? Wait. This thing is broken. This thing is broken. This thing is broken. Is attaching the member. Is attaching the. No, it's impossible. It's broken. Is attaching the member only when it's already attached. It makes no sense. You see, this attached member is actually doing the job, and then he's pushing the member, you know, in the tribe again. And so this will. I don't understand. I think it works only for the existing tribes, but not for the newly spawned one. Hello, who the clock? Seems more accurate with light. Yeah, that's probably the reason. That if I'm in complete darkness, the webcam is not an infrared, so it cannot. Hey, Funner. Need to see, but it seems to be doing less. It's just funny when it's winking. I can wink for real. Like if I do this, I'm winking myself, right? One eye, the other eye, both eyes. I can wink, and he will wink. But at least it's accurate on my face. I want to see if this add attached member is called at the beginning. Yes, it is. So this thing is actually used, okay, this thing is actually used at the beginning to attach an existing member, right, to the tribe in memory, but, okay. Let me see, read NPC from database. Check if NPC is part of tribes. So if he doesn't find it, or if he finds it and he attach, he's returning true. The only case that is failing if he's finding that he's part of the tribe but he cannot attach. And I think that at this point my tribe is empty. Yeah. So that is. Yeah, this function is used kind of at runtime. I mean, at the startup of the server. I mean, it's used at the startup, so I don't think we can reuse this thing. I think this is not what we need to call. I mean, I tried to call this because I was thinking it was a good idea, but it seems it's not. I think calling this is a bad idea. I think calling this NPC manager. NPC manager. What is the name of that thing? Is Ender Perception Spawn. It was actually already here. It was actually already here. Strange though. I think it was here in the check-in of yesterday. But I don't believe it was there already from the beginning. I don't think so. It was already here. Okay. Yeah, it was already there. It was already there. It was already there. It was already there. Okay. Okay, it was already there, but it's wrong. I mean, it's fine. It was already there, but it's not doing what we need, right? This thing is not doing what we need. We need to set the member as part of the tribe. And I don't know if I want to do it here or I want to do it before, because in reality this is where I get, yeah, this is where I get my NPC, right? This is where I get my NPC. And here is fully spawned. It is fully spawned. But is not attached to the tribe yet. So I think that here what we should do is probably... I mean, we can set the tribe. No, we cannot set the tribe. We can only get the tribe. We can only get the tribe. Because you set it on the brain. Because you set it on the brain. You set the tribe on the brain. You don't set it on the character. Okay, fine. Fine. So we get the brain and we set the tribe. Now, I don't know if this is really helping me though, because at the end, what I would like to do... I don't know exactly what I need to do, but I need... I need to do this. This. and this. These are the three things I need to do. Now, I could call this function directly, maybe. Some check to see if this NPC fits for this tribe. If not, idle by behavior. I mean, even if he's not idle, I mean, what? I think I can call this probably. This will set the tribe on the NPC, will set the member type on the NPC, and it will add the member to the tribe. So this seems to be the right function probably that I need to use. Passing the NPC, because if I do it the other way, it's not working. If I do it the other way, I think it's not working. Which was what? Oh, fuck. The problem is that I don't have my tribe. Ah, yes, I have it because I can get it from here. Right? I think I can get it from the spawner. The spawner... the spawner is a tribe 100%. The spawner is a tribe. Right? And the tribe as attached member. And this requires the spawned NPC brain, right? And the tribe member type, which at this point will be identical to my spawner, right? So I think I can get spawner. Spawner and what? Get tribe, no, get NPC type, get NPC tribe type, what was it? Always in the brain, huh? Always in the brain, always in the brain. Get tribe member type, yes. Okay. I think that this is what I think this is what we should do. Instead of this. Okay, this probably will solve the connection to the tribe, but now we have the other, we have the second issue that we found. So basically that we are getting this 141, which is the idea of the brain. So basically instead of creating a new brain, I attached it to an existing brain. Which is not what I want to do, right? It's not what I want to do. It's not what I want to do. I don't know exactly, because no, I think I need a new brain. I mean, a brain is unique for each NPC, otherwise they do the same things. The problem is this: that I'm getting a brain. NPC definitions, right? Find reference, blah blah blah. Get brain. I need to clone this brain. I need a new brain which is identical to this one. Because it's a good brain, but it's a wrong, but it cannot be the same. Insert copy. Insert a new copy of NPC into NPC definitions. Yeah, but you mean that you are writing to database? No, please. Yeah. You are writing to database. Okay, so this is not... Yeah, but how do you copy this? Insert copy. Let me see if insert copy is used anywhere in the code. GG. Is not used. Is not used. Because it's not used. Is there maybe a constructor to duplicate it? Because we really need to duplicate the brain. We need... There is no constructor in this class. There is only this. How do we solve this? How do we solve? I mean, in theory, we are already generating a brain, right? But the problem here is that I need a brain that is cloned, right? That is cloned from an existing brain. And it needs to have everything. I mean, there's not much inside. I'm very surprised that we don't already have a copy, a brain copy. I don't understand how it's possible. But it seems we don't have it. Because the minimum I can do, I can create a new brain, set the controller, set the controller, and then set the NPC type brain, right? Do I need anything else? There is a problem, guys. There is a problem because I think we never fully duplicated an NPC with a brain. We never fully duplicated. We loaded it from database, but we never fully duplicated one. The only case in which we do that, in which we create a new brain from scratch, is in the generated events. Because in the generated events, I have, yes, I have a new NPC type. So I create a completely new NPC type, and into that I load, right? I load a brain definition, which is the one that I define in the XML. And then we actually add the brain to the NPC manager. Hello Avenox, hey, thank you for the follow. Poor goblins, they never have been famous for the quality of their brain. Yeah, exactly. And now they have no brain. Well, they have at the moment it's two people. At the moment it's two people. It's two people with one brain. Is this a brain? I don't know. At the moment it's two people with is this a brain? I don't know. Is two people sharing the same brain. So we have our 141, which is actually the master NPC, and we have our guy, which is 150,000,000,000,000 whatever. And at the moment there is a pointer to this brain and a pointer to this brain, and it's the same one, but it cannot be, right? Because when we generated the next guy, which is this, right? Which is 500000001. It will also point to the same brain, and is not a good idea, right? It's not a good idea. Each one needs to have its own brain, and a brain is made of a bunch of stuff, right? It is my problem at the moment that this brain is made of this brain is made of what? It's made of well, first of all, PS and PC brain, right? So there is the structure that holds. Hello Avenox, are you creating an MMO? Yes, we are. If you scroll, well, it's already created. You can play it right now if you want. You can go to our website. The links are below in the description, and you can download it right now for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac. And you can play. I'm improving the artificial intelligence, or artificial stupidity in this case, of our NPC. And we want them to build villages and do stuff, and they're already doing a bit of that, but at the moment we have this problem that we are sharing, that when I create a new member of the tribe, right, he's properly created, but he's using the brain of someone else, and that's not a good idea. That's definitely not a good idea. So there is a brain, there is a PS NPC type. There is a PS NPC type. Which is basically the collector of all the behaviors and such, right? So one thing I don't understand is, do I need to have the NPC type as well, or is enough? Come on. Collection of behaviors, the reaction of represent type of NPC. NPC will be assigned one of these types. This letter use the same skip for many mobs at once when skipping its own state information. Yeah, what I'm confused on is this, right? Because if I advance my behavior, so I need to instantiate a new NPC. I mean, the same NPC type. I need to instantiate it again, right? For each NPC. Because this is doing advance on one brain. Here we have a deep copy. This is very nice. This is very nice. So this is the real okay, so this may save a lot of time. Very good. Very, 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 very good. Okay. Okay, so in theory, here it is. I already have it. Very good. Very good. So NPC. Okay, so I create. Okay. Now I can clone a brain from another brain. That's very nice. That is very nice. The only question would be, should I clone it from the master NPC, or should I clone it from the member? Because the member, should I clone it? That's also my dream, is to create an MMO someday soon. Well, my suggestion will be to join another project already doing it, because Making an MMO, I tell you, is not easy. It requires millions of investment or an infinite amount of time. And no one has infinite amount of time. And for us, you know, it took so many years, right? And so many people to really build a foundation. And it's still, you know, in very simple stage, right? Well, it's not simple, but anyway. So I think it's not possible to create an MMO without a significant investment or starting, you know, from something that exists already, like Plane Shift, for example. It is really big. I mean, is really more than, I don't know how much you can visualize all the stuff that you have to do for an MMO, but I tell you, is infinite, is so much. So I would not suggest doing it. It's really a lot. I can tell you on my skin. So I'm thinking if I should clone the NPC type from the master or from the guy, and I think the answer is from the guy, because I think that the master does not get an NPC definition. If I search 141, okay, there is there. Well, okay then. I mean, if it's there and we assume that it's the same, the point is that it needs to be the same though, huh? No, I'm not trusting it. No, I will clone it from the guy. I will clone it from the tribe member. Because cloning it from here, I'm not sure that everything is... correct. Yeah, exactly. So I will clone the member. Okay. So if I want to clone the member, assuming that we decided that, right? We decided that we want to clone the member. The place where we do the work is inside load dynamic, right? Load dynamic is our function. Now, the first thing that we want this to be our member and not the master. Even if, you know, what is strange that because I did that. I got a brain ID. I got this. I got spawner PID. Character data PID. I mean, this guy must be, it cannot be 141, right? It's impossible that it's 141. Ah, there it is. Because it's changed here with the name of the master. But no, in our case, this becomes character data PID. So we will pass in PID unbox, whatever. So we will pass in this, and so now in load dynamic, this PID will be the new member, the old member they want to clone from, right? So now in theory, if I go now here, right, this will still fail and it's okay. Wait a second. Yeah, I want to use this. master ID. I think I want to use master ID. I don't know why I did this. But it's the same because this is reading the same variable, so yeah. This is reading the same variable, so it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same, right? Yeah. NPC master ID. Okay, good. It's the same because we are in the same. So in theory, we can just do this without that. And we can just say, if we have a master ID, try the master ID. And we are trying to get the NPC definitions of this, which results into a brain. And at this point, I would like to create. Now the point is that I need to create a new brain, right? Here I need to create a new brain, and the way to create
This is getting serious.
It is. I took a shower just for you, because you know I could smell with exactly. I can smell you at 2 kilometers away. Easy. Tiger very good at smelling. So what I want to do, I want to copy the same that we are doing in PS random event when we are creating the new brain and the new NPC. You see that we do new NPC type. Now I don't think we need new NPC type, because actually the NPC type is the same, because we will do a deep copy. Yeah, we will do new NPC type, but we will do a deep copy. And here we do a new. Okay, so pretty much what I need to do, I need to do this, and I need to do. It's not exactly this, but you get the point, right? So I don't know why brain wants UWorld as an input. That's a bit weird, but okay. Probably we need it for whatever reason later on. Okay, fine. We can pass in spawn manager current world, and that's it. So we create a new NPC brain, right? New NPC brain. Now we want to create a new type, but we want to create it we want to create it with a deep copy, right? So we go, and we saw that it was possible, right? Because there was exactly this one, right? This one is asking for another type, and the other type, we have it hopefully inside his brain. I don't know. Exactly. I mean, it's a bit stupid, the name, but it's brain get brain. I mean, it's like, because yeah, I mean, yeah, this is it's like this because it's like this, but unfortunately. So it's getting and this, right? And this, right? Yeah, new NPC type. Come on, we've seen it. Exactly. You want the address of this? What do you want? Okay. You should do a deep copy of this. Set the brain into this NPC type. And then at this point we do wait, no. And then at this point we do even if I think that this is already done in this deep copy, you know? No, it's not. Because we have a bidirectional reference, right? We have the NPC type pointing to the brain pointing to the NPC type, the NPC pointing to the brain, and the brain pointing to the NPC. So we have all double, you know, bidirectional pointers, just because it's much easier than to do calls and stuff like that, right? Okay. So in theory, this should do something. So it's doing a deep copy of the NPC type and assigning it to the brain of the new NPC. I don't know if this is enough though, because I don't know if this new NPC brain is... Actually, sorry, I need to use this one, huh? Why? Oh my god, I'm going crazy now. No, wait. Wait. So we read, we find the master NPC brain we want to copy, right? So that is finding the NPC brain we want to copy, right? We create a brand new brain, which sounds a bit weird, but that's what it is. We create a brand new brain, right? And then we deep copy into it, right, the knowledge of the other guy, the full knowledge of the other guy. And then we tell to this brain that he has this NPC type, and I don't know. And I don't know if I have to do anything else. I don't know if I have to do anything else. Because in theory, our NPC brain is more than this, but Our NPC brain has... I mean, this is not relevant. This is the only, yeah, this is the main brain. This is the one that we feel, right? So this is the real brain. For example, I don't know if I have to set a type or a PID, right? Do I need to set a PID? Probably I have to. I don't know which other information here is really needed. Because because when we say like new brain, I just say new brain, but in reality I'm not copying anything into it. I'm not copying anything into it. And I think I need more than this to make it fully functional. Read master NPC. New NPC load. Get name, get brain, get region. Because there is stuff happening here, right? There is stuff happening. Name, PID. Type, get name. Type, get name. Brain, a new NPC type in type, get name. Disabled or not disabled? No, we don't want it disabled. Yeah, basically I need to do this, boys. There is all the stuff that we need to have for that to actually work as expected. So the name... probably this is all private stuff. GG. Should we just create a constructor and GG? Probably. Would be a better idea. Why don't I have the constructor at the beginning? Why? We decided to put the constructor in a stupid place. Yeah. Yeah, let's create a new... Let's create a new constructor with this minimal information so we don't go crazy. So with name... Now I need to... with name, PID, which hopefully is hopefully PID is a PID. Fuck, this PID thing is so annoying. Anyway. I lost it. No! I lost it. I see. I would just go... then we have type. Let me just copy them, otherwise it takes too much. Type, region name, debugging. So we just create a new constructor, so we will put it all in the constructor and it's easier. disabled. Now, I think the brain, which is the NPC type, we're gonna set it later. So probably this will be null at the beginning. But I think it's a good idea to put it here anyway. We may need it. And original type, I think, will be at the beginning the same as the normal type, right? So I just need to discover what are all these things, but I assume that disabled is a boolean. I assume debugging is a boolean. I assume region name is a string. And I assume the type is a PS and PC type. Hopefully. No. What? Type is a string? Okay, type is a string. Type is a string. Why we pass it in then? I don't know. Debugging. Para-para-um. Debugging. Where the hell is debugging? I don't know. Highest level debugging. I think debugging we should know is set after. Yeah, I think the debugging is set after. We can remove it. I don't think we need it in the constructor. The disabled. Yeah, consider that if you enable it, it's automatically ticking, right? So I would say let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple. Let's put the stuff that we really need. Now the region, the region name. The region name I need to copy from. I need to copy, yeah. I need to copy. Okay, let's do a simple constructor like this, and then we will see. And then we will see what happens, okay? One step at a time, boys. One step at a time. Is this or... One step at a time. Okay, so assuming that this compiles, right? Yeah. Assuming that this compiles, region, cache the pointer to the region. Yeah, there is, I think there may be some additional stuff, but we will see. So now if I create, so now it's a bit easier, right? Because I will have to create my, wait a second. Ah, but this one will not have the... Ah, no, I need it, huh? I think this thing is needed for whatever reason. I think for whatever reason... Holy shit. Wow, there is all this stuff. There is all this stuff in the constructor, eh? There is all this stuff in the constructor. So should I replicate all this shit in the other constructor? That would be pretty bad. How can I do it in a smart way, guys, to avoid repeating everything? I cannot call a constructor from another constructor, I assume. Or I can have a function that is calling this and then setting my... Yeah, I think it would be a function like init basic stuff. Yeah, probably. I think it's probably easier. So we do initialize base data. So the UWorld we will not put it in because we have it already, and then we will have all of this, and this will just set all this stuff, right? And that's it. Yeah, probably it's easier because I don't want to redo the constructor at that point because I think it will become confusing. So we just set this basic stuff, right? Wait. Yeah. Yeah, so we do something like that. And so we can keep our constructor, but then after the constructor, we go brain, init base data, and we give them all the stuff that we want, right? We will them all the stuff that we want, including... So this is the name of the brain. The name of the brain, I think, is equal to... I don't know, I have to check it. I don't remember, actually. Let me run it 1 second and see what it is for the other guy. But I think it's probably the name of the NPC definition. So it's the type, like fighter or whatever. I don't know if it equals to that or it equals to the character name. I don't remember. But we can I'm recompiling, we can check it. We can check it. Okay, it's compiling. I think it is good, eh? And also it's the first time that we do it for real, because we never duplicated NPC on the fly properly, right? So I think that this is good. Hello, Joe Weed. Hey, thank you for the subscription on YouTube. Hey, hello. A logic witcher? What do you mean? Discussing a lot about brains at the moment. We are trying to split the brains of these two guys. We are trying to split the brains of these two guys. Oh no, these three guys. Because at the moment they all share a brain and it's not what we wanted. So... How do I catch, wait. How do I catch that? Yeah. Do you use Unreal Engine, Joey? Or do you have any knowledge on Unreal Engine, or are you here for the games? No, I'm thinking that the only place where we actually create NPCs when we were cloning an NPC, right? So there was a command that was called clone NPC in Legacy, but I don't know if it ever worked actually properly. Okay, let me see this brain. Let me see this brain. This brain has what? This brain has a name that is Eagle. So yeah, the name is basically the name of the NPC. The type seems to be equal to the tribe 3. Interesting. But the type I can copy. So I can also copy the name. Yeah, I will also copy the name then. I think I will copy everything. So we have all the data. What the fuck? I did it in the wrong place? No! I did it in the wrong place. I cannot believe it. I did it in the wrong place? Looks like. Wait. What happened? What? No, I didn't do it in the wrong place. It's there. It's correct. Relax. So, name we copied from the other brain. So this is our master brain. And so now the question is, can I get his name? Yes, I can. Then we want the PID. Now the PID should be the PID of my character. Then the type should be the type of this guy. Tribe member type. No, I don't think so. No, this has nothing to do with the type. What? No, this is another one. The type is another thingy. Type in type get name NPC type. So is it, the type is the name of the NPC type. Okay. Is the name of the NPC type. The NPC type is master get brain. Oh my god, this is like solving the Rubik cube with closed eyes. And then the last word is the region. We use the same region. So the region is I don't know if the region is here. Maybe it is. Nah. Come on. Master get brain. Why doesn't like me? Bruh. Why doesn't IntelliSense anything? Region. Get region name. In theory I could even get the real region, but okay, anyway. Get region name. No, it doesn't like me. 1, 2, 3. Wait, because I have too many. I have too many. I have the name, the PID, the type name, and the region name. Yeah, this one I added, but it was wrong. And the region name. Okay. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so here we have all the basic data. And then we do the deep copy. We assign the brain of this NPC to the new type. And then what? It gave a very weird error. Did you see that error? Maybe you are the programmer mage, got it? I don't know if I am. C++ is not for everyone. Well, yeah, it needs a bit of practice maybe, but it's not as hard as you think. I mean, there are so many examples. And also, you know, with Unreal Engine, you get the fundamentals are already there, so you're basically calling functions that already exist. Now, not in my case, because it is all homemade, right? But in general, use Blender for modeling, nice. Unity for 3D games and Game Maker for 2D, nice. Okay, we are running. The server is starting. So what we want to see that the new NPC is spawned. He has his own brain and he gets attached. And he gets attached to the tribe, right? So I think it may work. I think it may actually work, boys. I don't know. I'm confident. I know that I changed a lot in the code, so you may say, well, will never work at the first run, and I understand, but I think this part will be deleted in the future, but so we will arrive here. So as soon as they try to duplicate, I can log in, but as soon as they try to replicate, they don't have enough money. I think they don't have enough money. Yeah, they don't have enough money. So we need to restart it, I'm sorry. We need to restart it. Now, I think we will reuse this code a lot, because basically what this allows to do is to really generate a new NPC with a cloned brain from another NPC, part of a tribe, right? And this is something that we never did in the past. The only thing that we did in the past was to duplicate the NPC and statically reloading it from the database, right? Which was not very good for performances. Really not very good. Okay, server is loading. We will also try to log in so you finally see something, because I understand that has been a lot of code up to now. Okay, we're loading in. So here is our tribe, and some of them are working, some of them are staying at home, some are gone fishing, right? Everyone is doing a bit what he wants. This guy's burning his feet like a boss, but I guess he likes it for whatever reason. So now we are waiting. We are waiting our tribe to actually reproduce, right? Cannot grow. His tribe doesn't have enough resources. What do you mean? I saved the thingy. What? They already used them? Use them for what? It just started. Why? Why they don't have resources? I don't understand what happened. Do you mean that they already tried to reproduce and it failed? I don't think so, because the breed is happening only once, and is yeah, but I gave them the money. I gave them the money. No, they didn't breed. I don't know. Something weird happened. Maybe I had a wrong version of... I don't know. Why? Did I break it? Possible. They should spend the money only when they are doing something, like building a hut or reproducing or... Okay, I'm restarting, so... I mean, this is 86, right? They use 30 for every reproduction. They use 30. So they should reproduce twice, so in reality they use 60. And so yes, we go at 26, right? We go at 26 after they make 2 babies. 2 babies. Okay. So they are here, ready to work, going to work, waiting home, whatever. I hope they are not consuming money. Okay, they are not. Okay, nice. So now we just need to wait that that guy comes back, because that guy is needed at the base to actually reproduce, I think. Or anyway, one of the two needs to be available. Because if they are busy doing something else, they cannot reproduce. They already do something? I don't know. I think in 60 seconds, probably now 20, it will run, right? Because we did it a million times, so it always worked, so it should not fail now. Okay, we are reproducing. We are reproducing. This guy is cloning himself. We can add an animation or something in the future, I don't know. And now they are actually reproducing. Let's see if we crash. There is a high likelihood, but what is this ID? Oh fuck. The master ID is this, yes, correct. The master ID, yeah, is correct, Okay, we crashed. We crashed, but up to that point, everything seems to be okay, yeah? Why we crashed? Why we crashed? Master NPC brand. So why we crashed? We crashed here. Set brain, delete old brain. But old brain is not available. What? Old brain is not set. Old brain is unable to read memory. Old brain is... Why? New NPC type? Wait. Wait a second. Why we are... set brain is already doing the new... okay, so set brain is already doing the deep copy. Set brain is already doing the deep copy. Set brain is already doing the deep copy. So wait. Yeah, it's doing the deep copy of what? Of NPC type. Okay, I mean, fine. That's good. That's good. So I save one step, but we will have the problem of we will have the problem. I don't know why I gave him exactly 86, but just so it actually crashed in delete old. Get brain is doing what? Get brain is taking the controller, and from the controller is getting the brain. Did we set it already? No. Because we actually set it here, so this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. So my new brain is this guy. So I think I think I just need to do brain. Set brain. Yeah, I think I just need to do this. I don't know if I should change the name from brain to NPC type, because one of the issue that we have is that the brain actually has two pieces. As a class that is called PS-NPC brain, and as a class that is called PS-NPC type. Now the brain is actually the container. The type is actually the actual set of reaction behaviors, and that is how the NPC thinks, right? Unfortunately, this variable has been called brain. And maybe it should have been called brain type, right? Or something like that. Because it's super confusing. This is why you see... Come on. Mutex? Mutex what? You mean at one point you have in-game a gobble with two brains? No, I have two gobbles with one brain. Meaning that they do exactly the same thing. So the brain says, walk, and you will see two people walking, right? Which is bad. We don't want that. But this is what it was happening now. So we had, so I will rename the stream of tonight brain surgery. Brain surgery. Okay, do we have the money before running for nothing? Yes, we have the money. We have 86 fishes, the best money for the gobble. Imagine when they will be able to farm wood and find minerals and harvest fishes and build bigger villages, right? I think they will in the future. At one point in the future, they will. I think they will. When I created these 3 shortcuts, I saved so much time. You have no idea. It was like a few days ago. Instead of going Windows Explorer, you know, that directory, start, blah blah blah, I just created 3 shortcuts to start the editor, the server, and the client with our parameters, because we have a bit of parameters to pass through. But And yeah, done. Much easier. P. Okay, let's see. Anyway, my client will time out anyway, but probably will just time out. But let's see. So one member, you can read here. I don't know if you can see it on your screen or there is stuff on top, but yeah, you can read it somehow. You can read here what the members are doing. Member Hunter 1 is go to work, so he's working. And Member Hunter 2 now is hunting resources, right? Before he was moving and now he's hunting resources. We need one of the two to be available to mate, and the third one is a warrior and he cannot mate, he can just fight. And so the third guy we don't care. Right? We don't care about him. Okay, I think he's breeding now. Let's hope. Me wants kids. This is what he said. and now we see if we don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please. Okay, seems to be fine. That is the new guy, I think. Ah! Is working already? Wait. Oh fuck, we are reproducing again. Okay, fine. Fine, reproduce. Yeah, reproduce again. I just wanted to check that guy. No! No, we crashed before I could check the other guy. Fuck it. Why? No. We spawned one and the second failed. What the hell is going on? He crashed on a string. What the fuck? He crashed on a string. Are you serious? Ah, because the master NPC brain is null. Because the new guy tried to clone himself. The new guy tried to clone himself. Ah, okay. The new guy tried to clone himself. And what? And he did not find the NPC definitions. Yes, because we did not add to the NPC definitions. Yeah, they did something in addition that we need to do. Because otherwise... yeah. Well, yeah. I mean, another way to do it, though, is... Master ID. Yeah, because I go by ID, which is a bit stupid, though. It's a bit stupid that I go by ID, because in theory I could just pass in the master NPC directly, right? But let's say that he may be dead, you know, he may... So I think it's always better if we go through this and we add to the NPC definitions. So we will add... Yeah. Okay. How do we add to NPC definitions? We did it already, eh? We did it already for the generated events. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure we did it. Because I remember seeing the code. I remember. Write NPC type to database? No. Crap. Where is that? 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 Is in random event. It should be here. Here it is. Add NPC definitions for event. So it is basically adding a new NPC definition. No. Is here NPC? No. Yes or no? Yes or no? NPC? NPC. NPC. Get NPC definitions. Get NPC. Yeah, but I think it's that. Yeah, it's NPC. Okay, it is that. So the only problem is that NPC for sure is unique. I mean, is not is unique. It's private. I mean, it's private, right? So I was thinking to something else. Is protected, so we cannot really change it. We cannot just say add a new definition, right? We cannot. So we need a new like I did this, right? I need something like that, which is add NPC definition for clone or something like that, right? And but I don't understand. Because he wants the NPC brain. Huh? We have it, so it's not a problem. We have it, so it's not a problem. Used by tribes when cloning a new member. Used by random generated events when spawning a new NPC with custom brain. Okay. So I don't need to return anything. Fuck. No! Mistakes were made. Okay. I think this is better. So after we do this, we need to do brain. No, brain no. We need to do NPC. We need to do NPC manager, right? Add NPC blah, blah, for clone, and here we give him our PID. Yep. And we give the new brain. This guy? Yeah. Because now, if that guy tries to reproduce himself, right? If that guy tries to reproduce himself, we will actually find the brain and we will be able to clone it again, right? So it will be like a chain reaction. So we can also, yeah, I think at the end we can build the genealogy of the tribe, right? So who is the father? Who is the father of everything? Who is the father? Who is the child? Because we know it based on the master NPC. Plus, you should make my character a billionaire in Planeship because you are an amazing person. Just kidding, I don't want to have that happen. I would make the game will be easier for me. Ah, you need money, huh? You need money in the game? Well, it's very easy to get money in the game anyway. The easiest way is to kill some monster and sell the loot or... yeah, usually. Finding the right NPC that are dropping like swords or shields or whatever, or I mean unique swords, and sell them. And they sell for a lot of money usually. We have to fix the economy, but at the moment I cannot do that. But we will have to fix the economy one day. I will rename the stream of today as brain surgery. Or splitting brains. Splitting brains. Today is splitting brains. No? Wait. Yeah, it was today, right? 10:52. Yeah, 10:52. Yeah, 10:52 is today. 10:52, my boy. So Hula, you wanted to see the big hut, but I think it will not happen today as well. It will happen tomorrow, maybe. But the big, I don't even know if we have a bigger hut. I think it will be the same as the other hut. I don't think I have a big one in the model. Maybe is the other model, but it's not big. I mean, it's normal. I don't remember, but I think we need to redo some of the work on the buildings. Still 10 minutes for the big house? Yeah, maybe. But I'm really working on something different. I mean, I could, for the big house, we have to change the script to require 5 instead of 8, because at the moment it's requiring 8 people. Ah, I didn't give them the money. The money. Save. Okay, still starting, so it's okay. It didn't read that table yet, I think. Yeah, it didn't. But the fact that that guy tried to reproduce himself is super good, because it means that he's fully working. It means that it's fully working. Otherwise, would not have been possible, right? Because reproducing is one of the most complex that we have at the moment, and if he can do that, means that is kind of fully working, which is nice. The big house, yeah, I know. The big house. You know, we can also spawn the throne. You know the throne? We have a throne that I think I will use for the gobbles. But I would like to have some totems around. I would like them to build totems, or... I mean, just buildings that are like nice to see. I would like them to spawn stuff, you know? Buildings... buildings, things like that. Okay, let's see. Now is the time. Now is the time for the drum roll. Drum roll. This guy's on the fire. We can fix that somehow, but I think I would like in the name at least to put the type. Eagle Gobble Hunter or something. Eagle Gobble Warrior, because otherwise at the moment they are all the same. They just have a different tribe type, but okay, this guy is breeding. Me wants kid. He's breeding. I can remove the breakpoints, but okay, he's breeding, he's breeding. Reproducing, dynamic. I think I can remove all these thingies. Come on. Wow, the new guy is already reproducing. Instantly. Okay, that maybe is not what we want. But the new guy already reproduced. Kind of instantly. And now we have 5 guys. It actually worked, boys. It actually worked. Now... Oh my god, they're reproducing again? What the fuck? They cannot reproduce again. They don't have enough money. 57. They have money? It's impossible. What do you mean? 57? I think something weird happened because... They reproduced again. They are not spending money anymore. They are not spending money. So they're reproducing it over and over and over and over forever. Why they're not spending money? Oh my god, they will become a million. They will become a million people. Why they're not spending the money? Oh my god, boys. Holy shit, they're all gonna fish. These guys are all going to fish. They're reproducing again. No! What the fuck? No. I mean... Why they're not spending the money? I don't know. There is something significantly broken. Oh my god. They are 3, 4, 5. I will continue forever. We'll continue forever. Let me disable the breakpoints 1 second. You will continue forever. Okay, this should not happen, huh? This should not happen. Look at how many people! Look at how many people. They're going all in the same place, though. So when they... Why they don't fuzzy thingy? Oh my god. Look like time to kill some goblins, yeah. I mean, I can attack them. Enemy alert. Now if the whole tribe start to attack me is a problem. At the moment only this guy. I killed him? What happened? Enemy. Bro, stop moving. Why disappeared? That is a bit weird. But anyway, we have like 1 million people going to fish. Uh-oh. They continue to reproduce. Every 2 seconds there is a new one. Well, every 60 seconds actually. Every 60 seconds there is a new one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is just... It's reproducing again. We want skids. Oh my god. No. They made the big house. They made the big house, Hula. There is the big house. It's different, you see? They made it. They made it. Because now they are 8. They are 8. Holy moly. Holy moly. Me wants kids. Be scared. Be scared. Be scared. Okay, anyway, I think that's all for tonight, but I think it's good. They will reproduce forever. I don't know why they're not using the money. We should check why they're not using the money. Yeah. There is someone that went places, like this 15005, it probably went to explore and is falling down. But this will never end. This will never end. If I don't stop the server, we will have like thousands of them. Look at Tanto Kisan Goblin, yeah. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna go. The tribe is definitely here, and Hula, you have your big hut that you wanted to have. There is the big hut, which is, well, it's not big, but anyway, it's different than the other. And maybe we can make it bigger looking. Oh my god, this guy wants kids. There is a maximum, wait a second, there is a maximum tribe size, no? I mean, they should not go on forever because there is a maximum size. I place it at 20 or what? Debug tribe, wait a second, debug tribe target 15. Yeah, these are all the members of the tribe at the moment. These are all the members of the tribe. Can grow, no. Should grow, no. But it's still growing. Yeah, there is something in the reproduce that is not working at the moment. But these are all these people. 28. They are 29 people now. Yay, 29 gobbles. 29. This guy's tired. I want to sleep, he said. One guy wants fish. Another wants to sleep. This guy wants to sleep as well. This guy is sleeping. Ah, the other actually sleep. Some are sleeping. That's pretty cool. Okay. See you guys. I will see you tomorrow. We will continue with this. I think it was interesting. Bye bye. This tribe will never finish. The good news is that they are not infinite. No, I mean, they are not on the database. They don't save to database now, luckily. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a good night, guys. See you tomorrow. They would be billions. No, we will stop the reproduction for sure. Bye bye.